I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your MSI model and the BIOS version so you know exactly what firmware you're working with. Once done, make sure to create a Windows restore point and back up critical files. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Next, prepare a USB with Windows Recovery or the latest BIOS utility from MSI. You'll need physical access to the machine and admin rights. These initial actions get you into a safe state to change secure boot settings and avoid common pitfalls. You must reboot and enter the BIOS or UEFI setup by pressing Delete or F2 on MSI systems. Once inside, navigate to Secure Boot and change it to Custom Mode so you can manage keys. You do this because FaceIt requires valid Microsoft or OEM keys to validate drivers. If needed, delete problematic third-party keys and enroll the standard Microsoft UEFI CA key. Also, verify boot mode is UEFI only. Legacy or CSM can break driver signing checks. Save and exit to apply changes. You boot back into Windows and confirm drivers are properly signed by checking Device Manager and Windows Security. Then run the FaceIt client as an administrator and watch for specific error messages. If the client fails to validate drivers, reinstall it with elevated permissions. Once done, make sure to reboot and recheck Secure Boot status. If problems persist, reset Secure Boot to standard mode to restore default keys and test again. This single troubleshooting step often resolves validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.